बासित, बासित आवाज आ रही है आपको? बासित अली नासिर, मुंतहा सलीम 80041।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम जी, बेटा आवाज आ रही है?
जी सर, लेकिन मुझे स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही।
स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रही है आपको? एक मिनट, मैं दोबारा बेटा कोशिश करता हूँ। अब देखिएगा।
नहीं सर, अभी नहीं है।
चलें किसी और स्टूडेंट से भी कंफर्म कर लेते हैं कि आपकी तरफ इशू है या मेरी तरफ। आपकी है बेटा इसमें स्लाइड्स?
जी सर।
वेरी गुड, बी अटेंटिव, गेट रेडी, थैंक यू। एनीवन एल्स? उस्मान अली और जोनाथन जावेद, एनीवन कैन सी द स्क्रीन, प्लीज रिपोर्ट।
उस्मान हियर सर।
स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है काके?
यस सर, यस सर।
ओके, क्या लिखा है इसके ऊपर? और तमाम बच्चों से मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है, ये बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि ये कौन सी एक्टिविटी है। वो एक्टिविटी सिर्फ एक नेम है आपको बताने के लिए, डजंट मीन यू ऑलवेज हैव टू रिस्पॉन्ड लाइक दिस वन। यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रेजेंट योर वर्क जो कि डिपिक्ट करे आपकी एक्सपर्टीज को। ठीक है, तो इसका ये मकसद है कि 2 मिनट में आप अपना मौकफ कैसे बयान करते हैं, 2 मिनट के अंदर आप एक स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट को कैसे क्लियर करते हैं, 2 मिनट के अंदर आप दूसरे पर्सन को कन्विंस कर सकते हैं एक पॉजिटिव रिसर्च वर्क के लिए। 2 मिनट में आप कहीं नर्वस तो नहीं हो जाते एक मजमे में। तो इस एक्टिविटी, दिस इज कॉल्ड एक्टिव लर्निंग, because we were on because of this online classes and COVID-19, usually we are, most of the teacher including me are on conventional teaching, that a teacher just speaks down or just speaks out। वो आधे घंटे के लिए, 1 घंटे के लिए बोल रहा है, आगे से कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स इंटरेस्टेड हैं, कुछ नहीं है, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो ऑनलाइन आकर खुद चाय पीने चले जाते हैं। तो ये है, तो इन एक्टिविटीज से ये है कि लर्निंग स्टूडेंट की बढ़े, द मेन एम इज टू लर्न। ठीक है, ये एक्टिविटीज, और इसको कहते हैं एक्टिव लर्निंग, कि आप इन्वॉल्व रहें स्टूडेंट्स और वो एफर्ट करें सीखने की। ये बहुत गोल्डन, इसको अगर आप देखें तो ये गोल्डन टाइम है इस सेंस में कि आप इतने फ्री हैं कि आप बहुत कुछ पढ़ सकते हैं। बाहर नहीं जा सकते बीमारी की वजह से, दुआ करें अल्लाह पाक सबको महफूज रखे। मेरा ख्याल शुरू किया जाए इसको,
जी सर।
और वी हैव टू वेट फॉर मोर कैंडिडेट्स एज वी ओनली हैव 10 पार्टिसिपेंट्स टिल नाउ येट।
Sir, wait for 1 minute.
Okay, okay, sure. Everyone, please mute their mics. If you want to say something, please raise your hand. So try to convince your point of view very briefly in 2 minutes. Try to discuss your, try to avoid the word I and we always. Research, in your research writing, our title is research methodology, so we should also have to discuss about research drafting. It's a very important topic, how to draft a manuscript. So please try to avoid the use, try to avoid the use of word I or we did this, we performed docking and got these results, I summarized the sequence analysis. Try to avoid these words in your scientific drafting. The researchers who usually spend more than 20 years or 30 years in the domain have much expertise on a specific topic or a specific mechanism. They can say I or we because they have much expertise. We don't have. We are juniors. We are junior researchers. We are early researchers. You and me, we both are in new in the domain. We are just trying to do a good research work, trying to explore, trying to contribute in science. So try to avoid these types of words. Try to avoid essay writing in scientific writing. Don't use essay writing words in scientific writing. There is a huge difference between essay writing and scientific writing. In essay writing, you can use some words like such as like that is, for example, that's why, because. But in scientific writing, we usually avoid these words. We usually focus on scientific words like although, though, however, moreover, whether, while, try to avoid the essay writing words in scientific drafting. So it will help you in your future writings. I hope you guys will be more focused on your scientific careers of your research careers. Research is very interesting domain if you are interested. The condition is if you are interested. So research work, experiment, scientific drafting is very interesting. In actual, doing research is a science, but drafting research is an art. So you should know both the things. You should know the science, you should know the arts. You should have to uh, expert yourselves in both of these domains. It will be much more better for you. I know a person cannot be perfect in all the domains, but you should, or I should, or everyone should have to try best. If you are not much good in drafting, it's okay, but you should be average. If you are, everyone has their positive and negative points. Like person A is very good in doing experiments, but maybe he is less in statistical analysis. Person B has good scientific drafting skills, but however, or maybe he or she don't have much skills in doing experiments, and maybe person C can generate very beautiful figures. So everyone has some specific expertise. You should have to learn about your expert. You should have to explore your expertise in actual what you are, who you are. Find yourself, find your expertise, find your interests, then put your efforts. So a single person can move good, but he cannot move far. Generate teams. If you have expertise, a person A has expertise in scientific drafting, person B has an expertise in experimental designs and proposals and these types of stuff. Person C has the expertise in statistical analysis. So you three guys should have to make a team and then strike. So if one person, those are very lucky who and god gifted guys who have all the expertise. I don't know, I know maybe very much guys who has all the expertise. Otherwise everyone has some very strong points, some average points, some weak points. So we should have to, you should have to, I should have to explore our positive points, negative points, weak points, strong points, and then we have to work on that. If you are strong in experiments, so you have to put less energy on that department. But if you are you are weak in scientific drafting, then you have to increase your literature. You have to put more energy in this domain, that you have to read more and more papers from good publishers and journals. You have to increase or improve your vocabulary. You have to improve your grammatical mistakes, linguistic errors, typographical mistakes. So generate a team, find the persons, work professionally, work efficiently. So I hope you guys understand how we have to overcome our challenges. This is not a good way to just report the challenge. It's not a good way. Just always complaining, just always giving some excuses. That's not the way, man. How long you can complain? 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. One day you have to accept it. So try not to complain always. I know there are complaints, we have complaints, there are some gaps in our systems, but doesn't mean always pointing the gaps. If you want to, it's very good and it's a good habit to report the problems, but please use good words. Report like a gentleman. If you saw some problem, like I also have another activity for you guys in my mind after this activity. So in that activity we will learn, if we will get a paper from someone to review, how we have to react. Don't always think that you are the king, you are always right. No, accept I have some problems. I have less vocabulary, I have issues with my scientific drafting. Accept the realities. I hope we have much students now, and we are going to continue again. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Jonathan Javed, can you see the slides, please? Anyone else?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, brother. Okay, I'm going to start it. Please follow the instructions, everyone. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. My name is Muntaha Salim. Throughout my bachelor's degree, I have learned all the basics of bioinformatics, and I am recently working on GAP 43 and performing different structure prediction, evaluation, visualization, evaluation tools, visualization, and protein docking, and by using different tools. And now I have published my research article in Biomedical Letters on bioinformatics and artificial intelligence. So I did very basic research in BS. Now I am more concerned in advanced research because I have my expertise in genomic data analysis by using different bioinformatics algorithms and tools to join multiple levels of information for a new theory and or hypothesis generation and target identification. So I would like to upgrade my future education as a geneticist because I realized that my passion and skills are surrounded as a geneticist. Thank you, sir. अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, मैं क्या उसका इशू बता सकती हूँ आपको?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naveen Fatma. I am from Government College University, Faisalabad, under the session of 2016 to 2020. I am I have worked on computational drug designing and molecular doping analysis and published an article about thyroid cancer TC1, in which first of all we done sequence analysis through Zembal and UCSC genome browser, and alignment is done through online cluster omega tool, and then structure prediction is done through online through tools in for Raptor X and HS spread. Then we have done protein doping, in which we have used different tools like PatchDoc, and then we have used protein, and then we have used stitch and string for analysis, and then we have also done like ligand doping, and I have also an energetic and good researcher who have worked very good and about her field and can do laboratory work very efficiently. It would be a good opportunity for me to learn and gain hands-on experience by working in the laboratory, which which will keep which will help me to achieve our future goal of becoming a good scientist in bioinformatics and enhancing my ability to be an international researcher. I am also a good researcher who has a good knowledge about her field and can do laboratory work very efficiently. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum class. Here Fatma Noreen. In my fieldwork experience, computational drug designing, molecular docking, and 3D structure prediction. I am also expert in online tools like MegaX, JustBio, M40, Modeler, SysModel, and iTaser. Here, my research work protein name is CYP4B1, cytochrome P450 family 4 subfamily B member 1. ये प्रोटीन जो है ये कैंसर काज करती है, ब्लैडर कैंसर और यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट कैंसर काज करती है। इसमें हमने इसका 3D स्ट्रक्चर अभी तक पीडीबी में एनएमआर स्टाइलोग्राफी में इसका अभी तक नहीं हुआ। इसमें हमने इसको 3D स्ट्रक्चर प्रेडिक्ट किया है और बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस। सबसे पहले हमने इसमें इसकी सीक्वेंस एनालिसिस किया है हमने। इसमें इसके 515 अमीनो एसिड थे, हीम को फैक्टर था, और उसके बाद हमने इसका स्ट्रक्चर प्रेडिक्ट करवाया बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट टूल्स, रैप्टर एक्सिस मॉडल एंड अदर। उसके बाद हमने इसमें एवेल्युएशन और वैलिडेशन की है बाय टूल्स इन सब की। देन हमने इसकी प्रोटीन डॉकिंग एंड प्रोटीन डॉकिंग करी है। इसमें हमने इंटरेक्टिंग प्रोटीन फाइंड किया है बाय यूजिंग स्प्रिंग डेटाबेस और इंटरेक्टिंग रेसिड्यू यूज किए हैं, और इसकी हमने डॉकिंग करवाई है बाय ऑनलाइन टूल्स ग्रामएक्स। एंड देन प्रोटीन लाइगेंड डॉकिंग करवाई है। इसमें लीस्ट एनर्जी कंपाउंड हमने देखा है, और इसकी डॉकिंग जो हमने करवाई है वो पायरेक्स से कराई है, और इसमें जिंक एफडीए लाइब्रेरी हमने यूज की है। थैंक यू।
Thank you everyone who presented. So we have one more slides. Just give me a chance to open it. Jonathan Javed,
यस सर।
मुझे क्यों स्मेल हो रहा है कि आपने अपना लास्ट में रखा है ताकि मैं सबकी तरफ से सीख लूं।
सर मैंने कहा मैं सबसे पीछे हो जाता ना, सब बच्चे आगे।
हाँ, ये मुझे लग रहा है कि तुम्हारे पीछे के चक्कर में ना तुम्हें मैं काफी पीछे करूंगा।
नहीं नहीं सर, मैंने कहा सर वो ज्यादा आगे बढ़
ये
चले।
आपके दोस्त भी लास्ट पे ही हैं, या मैंने वो वाली फाइल लास्ट में खोली है?
सर ये आपने फाइल लास्ट में खोली।
हाँ, उन्हें क्या बहाना सर ने देता, मैं फटाफट फाड़ लूंगा।
3 नंबर फाइल है ये मेरी लास्ट।
अच्छा जी, चलें जरा देखिएगा, स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है आपको?
यस सर, अब आ रही।
ओके, सो जस्ट वेट अ सेकंड मैन। Give me a second, please give me a second. Okay, okay, please continue. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
मंजूर हसन। रिसेंटली हमने वर्क किया था एक प्रोटीन पे जिसका नाम ब्लिम्प वन है, और इसमें हमने पहले सीक्वेंस एनालिसिस किया था। सीक्वेंस एनालिसिस में हमने मुख्तलिफ काम किया था। हमने इसका को फैक्टर वगैरह फाइंड किया था। को फैक्टर फाइंड किया था, इसका को फैक्टर जिंक फिंगर था। उसके बाद हमने स्ट्रक्चर प्रेडिक्शन वगैरह की थी इसकी, और विजुअलाइजेशन की थी, और मुख्तलिफ टूल के ज़रिए हमने इसे चेक किया था, और इसका लाइगेंड वगैरह चेक किया था, और लाइगेंड कौन सा है अटैच करवाया मुख्तलिफ टूल के ज़रिए हमने, और प्रोटीन लाइगेंड डॉकिंग करवाई थी और इसमें हमने, और जिसके बाद जो लास्ट फाइनल स्ट्रक्चर था हमने उसके ड्रग डिज़ाइनिंग के लिए सेलेक्ट किया था, और उस पर अपना सजेशन वगैरह दी थी। और थैंक
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nishma Hamid and I will tell about my expertise in my field work. I have worked on structure prediction tool जिसमें prediction tools use किए थे, and virtual screening, molecular docking and drug designing. My research work protein name is YP4B1, cytochrome P450 subfamily B member 1, and जिसमें हमने structure predict किया था through using different tools, Raptor X, M4T and many others. And इसमें virtual screening की थी, performed by utilizing FDA library of zinc database against CYP4B1, and molecular docking performed की जिसमें protein docking and protein ligand docking through Pyrex and protein docking through Gram X performed की, and इसमें drug designing की, and if I'll get any opportunity to work in your lab, I'm very sure you will be satisfied with my work, and I will put maximum effort and want to utilize my knowledge and expertise. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum sir. Sir, my name is Shahzad and my roll number is 0021, and opportunity sequence इसमें सबसे पहले हम डीएनए को सीक्वेंस करते हैं कंप्यूटर पे। उसके बाद मोलेकुलर डॉकिंग करते हैं। मोलेकुलर डॉकिंग में कोई भी हम अगर कोई भी हमने मेडिसिन उस पर एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं तो ये टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, इसलिए हम फिर विजुअल स्क्रीनिंग करते हैं। विजुअल स्क्रीनिंग में हम लाइगेंड को पैरामीटर से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, और इसमें आपने बताया सर कि पैरामीटर यूज होते हैं हाई फ्रिक्वेंसी हो, तो जो हमने लेना है वो हम साइड पे कर लेते हैं। इसके अलावा टाइम मैनेजमेंट ऑपरेटिंग पर अगर मुझे लैब में काम करने का मौका मिले तो मुझे बहुत से टूल पे कमाल हासिल है इसमें, टाइम मैनेजमेंट वगैरह। तो सर आपने पहले भी काम दिया तो उससे मैं बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करूँ।
Assalamualaikum. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Saban. doing BS Mathematics, Government College University, Faisalabad. Today I discuss about my expertise on protein and C1R. Recently, my paper is published in the biomedical letter. The name is in silico potent drug target of the melanocyte stimulating hormone receptor 1 protein. This protein is involved in the skin pigmentation and the hair pigmentation. I'm perform some computational approaches like homology modeling, protein docking, protein ligand docking, 3D structure prediction, sequence analysis, and I'm using some online tools. This model I tested PI spread, beta, file EasySet, and HSet, and I'm doing evaluation tool. Yes, Rampage, RAT, Rosetta, and at the end we discuss about the opportunity.
Sub answer, please continue.
Yes, sir. At the end, we discuss about if you will give me a chance, I want to serve myself. By utilizing my expertise, I am unable to serve myself due to lack of opportunities, and I believe that you will definitely satisfied from me and my work and my expertise. Thank you so much. सर क्या मैं दोबारा से प्रेजेंट
जी Jonathan Javed.
Done with his presentation.
Okay. So in next lecture, as you know, we are running of time. In next lecture, we will continue from here. Thank you so much, everyone. In Almas Anwar,
excuse me.
Hassan and Almas Anwar, in next lecture, we will continue with you guys also. I will give you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Next lecture. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.